Hi guys, it's Giorgia from AuPairWorld. Today's video is about a completely new topic. I'll do with you a homemade face mask. Everything you need, it's just 3 natural ingredients that you can find in every supermarket, namely turmeric, white natural yogurt and honey. I think you need to take a break from your crazy house kids, don't you? So guys, here we are, and I hope with a softer skin. I just want to add now a few words about this face mask. You can actually apply it every 10 days, prepare it in advance and keep it on your fridge for 1 week. That's great because it basically means that you can do it in advance and apply it on your face whenever you want. What else? Why did I choose turmeric? Because turmeric is a really important ingredient. Trust me, it reduces dark circles and acne if you have honey, or it simply soothes your skin, while honey is an antibacterial and yogurt is a moisturizer, so that's really a great mix. I suggest you to try and let me know if you have any question, if you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to have more videos on AuPairWorld YouTube channel about these topics. Just let us know, reach out to me at AuPairWorld Instagram account, or just leave a comment below. Bye bye!